Hi friends,
In this video, I am going to show you all how to make aloe vera juice for drinking. I cut one stem of aloe vera from my plant and washed it, and I put 45 degrees a line so that all the yellow toxin part from the stem comes out. Here you can see the yellow part. Now I am going to cut aloe vera into small pieces. I'm going to remove the states also and put it in water for 20 to 30 minutes so that if any toxin part left in the stem will be come out and our aloe vera is good to use. Let's start. Now remove the bottom white part from the stem. Here I cut side white part and removed the teeth from the sides and cut bottom lean stem also. So this is my final stem, which I am going to cut into cubes and put it into water to remove extra yellow part. With this I am going to make fresh aloe vera juice and going to consume that with water. Here are my aloe vera pieces which I put in water, and I am going to wash them. I am going to keep these pieces in water almost 20 to 30 minutes. You can see here there is no yellow part coming and water is still clear only, because earlier I put my stem 45 degrees after washing it. So almost all the yellow part from the stem comes out. So wash all the pieces, and now I can remove the peel. For removing the peel I am going to use little bit wide knife so that it is easily removed. After removing peel, now add the aloe vera pieces back into water so that if any yellow part is left, that will come out. So here are my pieces after I take out the peel. I am putting into bowl and I am going to grind that. As I am planning to take fresh juice every time, so what I am going to do is I am going to take 2 pieces of my aloe vera and going to grind it. Here is my grinded juice. Now I am going to strain it. So here is my fresh strained aloe vera juice. It's nearly 10 to 12 ml. Now I am going to mix with water and make full cup of that. I'm going to drink this juice.